the memory of what we were. You treated me like a queen. You gave me a family. You gave me joy. That truth is eternal, and it will outlive every lie. So let them speak, let them try, for I know the Lion King still reigns in spirits, and his roar will forever protect the love we shared. And though they seek to wound me, they cannot erase the truth that I was your joy, your peace, your chosen resting place. My husband, my king, my eternal love. Though you are gone from this world, you remain etched in my soul. I will carry your legacy, protect your name, and honor the truth of our bond. You were my joy, my peace, my protector. And though I walk alone now, I will walk with the memory of your love, which no lie, no attack, no cruelty can ever erase. I am grateful for the love that we shared and our 6 beautiful blessings. I know they will forever miss you. Charles, Amesa, Ohima Fosu, Awaya, Katechie Jemfi, and your twin, Charles Pedro Fosu Jr. Rest, my Lion King. Rest knowing that your Odobroni will never let your story be forgotten. And as Junior's birthday forever intertwines with your farewell, let it be the reminder that your children will rise, your legacy will endure, and your role will never die. Rest in peace, my love.